Hi there, students. Eon. Okay, a noun, a countable noun, very often plural, eons. Notice you can also spell it A-E-O-N, but I would still say eon. Okay, an eon is a period of time that is just so long that you can't measure it. Yeah? We particularly use this in English informally to say a long time ago. I haven't seen you for eons. I've been waiting for eons for my package to arrive, but it still hasn't come. Okay, so a very, very long time. In geology, they use this word, an eon, to talk about the longest division of geological time. In astronomy, they use it to mean 1,000 million years. That's a very long time, isn't it? Okay, but an indefinite, very, very long period. It took eons to arrive to work this morning because there was just so much traffic. And they even use this word eon in philosophy as well. It's a power or the God that has existed throughout eternity. Okay, so eon, a really, really long period of time. I think nearly always you'll find this word used informally to mean a very long time. I waited for eons in the queue before I got to the front. Yeah, okay, I waited for ages. I waited for a very long time. Yeah, so yeah, this happened eons ago. This joke has been around for eons. Yeah, for an extremely long time. Yeah, for years and years and years and years. For an age, for ages. Okay, so this happened eons ago. Yeah, it's a good word to use instead of a long time. This has been going on for eons. So you're going to ask me about formality. I think I would probably give it a 4.5 in formality, unless you're using it technically in astronomy or geology or Gnosticism, yeah? Otherwise, if you're using it to mean a really long time, yeah? 2030 is eons away. We don't have to worry about global warming. What? Okay, this is like hyperbole, yeah? Saying that something is so long that it's such a long time, we're talking about geological ages. Okay, so 4.5 in formality if you're saying it lasted for ages, it took a really long time, as hyperbole, but otherwise, technically, I think probably a 6.5 or something like that in formality. This happened 32 eons ago in geological time. Yeah, okay. This was eons before the Earth existed. Okay, as to origin, well, it comes from ancient Greek, Aeon, meaning age. Okay, there are lots of these Greek words in English. So it seems like I've been making videos for eons, for a really long time. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Eon, Eons.